Hello YouTube, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. In this video, I want to show you how to create custom fields and custom field tabs. All right, so this can be useful if you have the photo ID license in your Protege GX platform, or if you simply want to add some more extra details in the user records so that it's easy to find for you to find this information. So as an example, today I'm going to use employee number, all right, parking spot, and also license plate number. Okay, so imagine you have some employees with access to the garage or the parking garage, then this can be useful. But you can add any kind of fields, from the birthday to phone number at home. It's just for your security team to know these extra details if they need to reach an employee quickly. Okay, so let's have a look and see how this is programmed with the Protege GX platform from ICT. So from the home page, you want to go to users, and the first step is to create a custom field tab for the user. So this is basically the tab that's going to show in the user properties, so you can select the tab and then fill the different fields that we're going to add to this tab later. Okay, so I created one called user info. Okay, so that's very simple. Okay, so that's the first thing. That's basically what you will see as the name of the column. And then under users, we go to custom fields. Okay, so here I created employee number, parking spot, and license plate number. And these fields are all designed to be linked to the user info tab that we created in the previous step. Okay, and also the field type is text. Okay, though you also have a numerical value, time and date, an option to select or unselect. Okay, a drop-down list where you can actually create the list beforehand, so you can select from the drop-down list. For instance, we did this for companies. So like you're in the user properties, you go to the info tab, and next to company, you select the drop-down and you pick the company that this user is from. Okay, in this example, I'm just using the field type as text. Okay, but this is very flexible. That's quite useful tool that people use a lot in the Protege GX platform. Okay, so again, we created those three custom fields. Okay, now as soon as you've done this and you've linked the custom fields to the custom field tab, when you go to the list of users, all right, you will see that if I select a user here, the user info tab is here. Okay, so you can fill the blanks to match the required value for each user. Okay, but not only that, you can add this custom fields to reports, but also if I hit the find button, I can select the custom fields from the list as well. Okay, so an example, employee number 1, if I click OK, then I can find the results. Okay, so and as soon as you add more custom fields, they are now available in the search page, when you hit the search button. Okay, so again, this is very simple. It's useful for photo ID templates when printing ID cards, and it's also very useful for the user records if you want to have some more information added to users. Okay, so again, this was how to create custom field tabs and custom fields in the ICT Protege GX platform. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, so you can receive notifications when we have a new video on our channel. All right, and if you need any kind of help with Inaxsys team, we can reach us from the inaxsys.com website. We have a full sales team and support team available here to help you. Okay, again, thanks for watching. Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys.